Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that Husqvarna 385 chainsaw, 85 cc's, very powerful saw. This one features a 24-inch Husqvarna bar, skip tooth sequence chisel bit chain. And we'll take a close-up look at that. That is a sprocket nose. And some of the features it has. Kill switch on the left here, chokes on the right. Has an operator presence lever. It won't throttle up unless your hand is in place. Great safety feature. Hand protector and foot pad in case of a chain throwing incident. Helps protect your hand. Functions as a foot pad when starting this high compression engine. Get your foot in the pad. Get a good grip on them handlebars and start this saw on the ground. One nice feature it has is a decompression valve. This blue button right here makes it easier to start this high compression engine. Tension adjuster right here. Loosen the two bar nuts up. Right here is your tensioner. Double falling spikes, very nice. Got the heavy duty filter system. Nice, real clean, keeps us all running real clean. Very powerful saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.